3 minus 5 gives us negative 2. And again, here we have 3 minus 5, which again gives us negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4. Because negative times negative is positive, and 2 times 2 is 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to explain real quick. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parenthesis, right? Parenthesis is priority number 1, and then after we solve parenthesis, we have to solve exponent. Priority number 2 is exponent, and priority number 3 is multiplication or division. And finally, after we solve all this arithmetic, then we are allowed to move to addition or subtraction, which is priority number 4. So we have to do this sequence, otherwise the answer wouldn't be correct. So let's solve the problem together. So here we have multiplication and subtraction, and we have to do the multiplication because multiplication has third priority, right? We are going to do multiplication in third priority before subtraction. So 5 times 3 is the first thing to do, and 5 times 3 gives us 15. And 3 minus 15 minus 5 is going to be the next equation, which we are going to do left to right since they both are subtraction. So 3 minus 15 gives us negative 12, and negative 12 minus 5 is equal to negative 70. So the final answer to this question is negative 70.